Ever pondered the process of kickstarting your journey into the world of development? Unlocking this door might seem daunting at first, but fear not. Today, the avenue to becoming a developer unravels in simple, manageable steps. First things first, pinpoint what kind of development sparks your interest. Whether it's web development, game development, or software development, there's a whole universe waiting for you to explore. Each domain has its own set of languages and tools, so knowing where your passion lies will help guide your learning path. Next, immerse yourself in the basic concepts. Familiarize yourself with terms like algorithms, data structures, and databases. Grasping these foundational elements will make your journey smoother and more comprehensible. There are numerous resources available online, from free tutorials to comprehensive courses, that can help you grasp these concepts at your own pace. Once you've understood the basics, it's time to choose your first programming language. It's important to remember that there isn't a perfect first language. The choice often depends on what you want to create. For instance, if web development is your calling, HTML and CSS might be your starting point, followed by JavaScript. For game development, you might lean towards C# because of its use in Unity, a popular game engine. With your chosen language in hand, practice becomes your best friend. Coding, like any other skill, requires consistent effort and time. Try to build small projects or solve problems on coding platforms. This hands-on approach will not only reinforce what you've learned, but also give you a taste of real-world programming. Now, onto an often overlooked aspect of development: understanding version control systems. Git, a widely used version control system, allows you to track changes in your code over time. This skill is invaluable when working on larger projects or collaborating with other developers. Lastly, never stop learning. The field of development is dynamic and constantly evolving. Keeping up with the latest trends, languages, and technologies is crucial. Joining developer communities, attending webinars, and following industry leaders can help you stay in the loop. So, to recap: 1. Identify your area of interest within development. 2. Learn the basic concepts and terminologies. 3. Choose your first programming language based on your interest. 1. Practice coding regularly and work on small projects. 1. Understand the importance of version control systems, specifically Git. 1. Keep learning and stay updated with the latest trends. Remember, every developer starts from scratch. The path might seem challenging, but with patience, persistence, and passion, the world of development is yours to conquer. Embark on this exciting journey, and you'll soon be creating, innovating, and solving problems with code.